Hi, welcome to Deel. We're happy to have you on board. We understand that you may have many questions as you begin your onboarding process in Poland, so we'll go through some key country specific information. Required information. To complete your onboarding in Poland, we need some essential information and documents. As a first step, please fill in your details on the platform, including your parcel and correspondence address. All compliance documents must be printed, signed with a handwritten wet ink signature, and re uploaded as scans or photos for approval. Once approved, please send the original hard copies to our provider. The address will be in your welcome email. Mandatory compliance documents. Please upload the mandatory documents to the compliance documents section of the Deal platform as soon as possible. Make sure all compliance documents are signed with a wet ink handwritten signature. Mandatory health and safety training. You will receive an email from Deel followed by one from our health and safety provider asking you to complete the mandatory health and safety training. The details will be explained in the emails. However, please note that completing this training before your start date is required by Polish labor law. Mandatory medical check. You are required to provide a medical certificate before your onboarding can be finalized as mandated by Polish labor law. Therefore, please schedule a medical check as soon as possible to ensure an available appointment before your start date. We won't be able to complete your onboarding without this certificate. You can book your medical check using the referral provided by Deel, which includes the contact number needed to arrange your appointment. PPK. You will be automatically enrolled in PPK, a Polish pension scheme, after 90 days of employment. If you wish to opt out of PPK, please contact us via the support chat on the platform. We will provide you with a resignation form that you will need to sign. Please note that if you want to resign, the signed form must be submitted before the 15th of the given month. Time off. In Poland, employees are entitled to either 20 or 26 days of annual vacation leave. Employees with less than 10 years of total employment are entitled to 20 days, while those with 10 or more years are entitled to 26 days. To qualify for 26 days of vacation, you need to upload your diploma and any previous employment certificates to the platform, as these documents confirm your total employment period. Once you have uploaded the documents, please reach out to us via the support chat to ensure your vacation balance is updated accordingly. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Deel. We hope this information was helpful for you and your onboarding journey. Goodbye.